Can I leave aloe vera gel on my face overnight?
Hello, beauty enthusiasts. Today we're discussing a common question that many people have about using aloe vera gel on their skin. Can you leave aloe vera gel on your face overnight? Well, let's delve into this topic and find out.
What is aloe vera gel?
Aloe vera is a plant species with a history of use in health and beauty that goes back thousands of years. It's known for its healing, soothing, and moisturizing properties. Aloe vera gel is the clear, jelly-like substance found in the inner part of the aloe plant leaf.
Can I leave aloe vera gel on my face overnight?
The answer is, yes, you can. It's safe for most people to leave aloe vera gel on the skin for a prolonged period of time, such as overnight, without any adverse effects. The gel has a soothing effect on your skin, helping to hydrate it and possibly even lessen the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. However, please remember that everyone's skin is different. Some may experience a bit of irritation or sensitivity. It's always recommended to do a patch test first to ensure your skin does not react negatively to the aloe vera gel.
How to apply aloe vera gel on your face overnight?
It's quite simple. Here's a quick guide. 1. Cleanse your face thoroughly with your regular cleanser. 2. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your face. You can use either a store-bought gel or extract the gel yourself from an aloe plant. 3. Leave it on overnight. 4. In the morning, wash off the gel with lukewarm water. 5. Finish off with your regular skincare routine. Remember, less is more when it comes to applying aloe vera gel. A thin layer will do the job just fine. So, in conclusion, yes, you can leave aloe vera gel on your face overnight. It can be a great addition to your skincare routine due to its hydrating and soothing properties. Just remember to always perform a patch test first. Happy skin pampering!